Are you a woman over 50 who wants an easy and delicious way to get your greens daily? Hey, it's Jill the Health Coach, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make green drinks, and they're so good and so good for you. So I'm going to use a cucumber, I'm going to use blueberries, wild blueberries, and you can use frozen. You do not have to use fresh. And I'm going to use baby lettuces. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it in my NutriBullet. So I've got my container here. I am going to put just a handful of baby lettuces. Doesn't need to be fancy or anything, just gonna do a handful. And then I'm gonna cut up some cucumber. I'll just do a little bit here. I'm just cutting it up enough so it's easy to go in. And I'm putting it in. And then I'm gonna take blueberries. I love my wild blueberries. You should always endeavor to buy wild because those are the best for you. And then I love cinnamon. It makes it so much sweeter. So I'm gonna add some cinnamon, and then I will add some water. This is filtered water. I use my Lark. This is a filtered system. I always use my regular water through zero water filters first, and then I put it through my Lark just to filter it out. So I don't even measure, I just kind of put in enough that I think looks good, and then I'm just gonna blend it. And you're gonna see how easy it is if I can. And we're done. Guys, let's see how it tastes. And I know it tastes good. So good. Under 2 minutes. Anybody can do it. Get your greens. It's so easy and simple and so good for you.